I bet you didn't know your living room is full of Spanish words just waiting to be learned. Let's open the door to a whole new set of vocabulary. Ready? All right, let's step into the living room, la sala. First up, the sofa. El sofá. Easy, right? Next, we've got the coffee table. La mesa de centro. The armchair is el sillón. If you see a bookshelf, that's la estantería. How about the TV? In Spanish, it's el televisor. The remote control, that's el control remoto. Curtains are called las cortinas. And the lamp is la lámpara. Let's not forget about the rug, la alfombra. If you have a painting on the wall, that's un cuadro. Plants in the corner, those are las plantas. Got some cushions, those are los cojines. And if you spot a clock, it's el reloj. Now, if you want to invite someone to sit, you'd say, siéntate en el sofá. Or, to turn on the light, enciende la lámpara. See how many words you already know? With just a little practice, your living room could be the perfect place to boost your Spanish skills every day. So, next time you're relaxing in la sala, try naming each item in Spanish. You'll be surprised how fast you pick it up. Want to learn more? Stick around for more everyday Spanish tips. Hasta pronto.